How to enable seen contacts on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable seen contacts on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here we'll find this storylines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here we'll find this one, privacy, and then click send contacts and Facebook friends. And first one, here you will find that send contacts. If you want to enable it, just turn it on by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.